Penthouses are the ultimate symbol of high-end living, and in no other city are they more sought after than in New York. These living spaces are found on the highest floors of buildings, offering panoramic views of the city skyline. Many penthouses also include private terraces or balconies where residents can enjoy breathtaking views while sipping champagne or hosting parties. So join us as we explore the most expensive penthouses in New York City and get a glimpse into the world of the ultra-wealthy. We're going to start talking about 220 Central Park South. This luxury skyscraper features a penthouse that sold for $238 million, making it the most expensive home ever sold in the United States. It was located in the heart of Manhattan. This penthouse is a 950-foot tall skyscraper that was completed in 2019. The building was designed by Robert A.M. Stern Architects and created by Vornado Realty Trust, one of the biggest real estate companies in the United States. What makes this penthouse so interesting and amazing is its elite collection of extravagant residences. The building features 118 apartments ranging from one-bedroom units to sprawling penthouses, each with its own unique design and style. The most notable of these apartments is the 24,000 square foot 4-story penthouse that spans the top floors of the building. This incredible home offers breathtaking views of Central Park and the Manhattan skyline and includes 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and multiple outdoor spaces. It's not just the penthouse that makes 220 Central Park South so extraordinary. Every home in the building features the finest materials and finishes, from marble countertops to custom millwork and cabinetry. The building also includes a number of amenities for residents, including a fitness center, spa, screening room, and more. In case you're looking for the ultimate in luxury living in New York City, this penthouse is definitely worth checking out. From its stunning plan to its elite collection of homes, this building really speaks to the best of the best in high-end genuine estate. Next on the list is 18 Gramercy Park South. This building features a 4-story penthouse that sold for $60 million in 2013. It is found within the historic Gramercy Park neighborhood of Manhattan. 18 Gramercy Park South is a dazzling pre-war building that has been carefully re-established and transformed into a collection of luxury residences. The centerpiece of the building is the incredible 4-story penthouse, which spans over 10,000 square feet and features breathtaking views of the Gramercy Park and the city skyline. This incredible residence includes 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and multiple outdoor spaces, as well as a private elevator and a grand staircase that connects all 4 levels. But the penthouse isn't the only impressive home in the building. The building features a total of 16 extravagance apartments, each with its own unique design and style. Each apartment features the finest materials and finishes, from oak flooring to countertops, as well as custom millwork and cabinetry. In addition to the incredible residences, it also offers a range of amenities for its residents. These include a fitness center, a screening room, a children's playroom, and more. The building also has a full-time doorman and concierge, as well as a private key to the exclusive Gramercy Park, one of the New York City's most wonderful and historic green spaces. But what truly sets 18 Gramercy Park South apart is its location. In case you're looking for the ultimate in luxury living in one of New York City's most coveted neighborhoods, 18 Gramercy Park South is certainly worth checking out. From its stunning design to its elite collection of homes, this building genuinely speaks to the best of the best in high-end real estate. Did you know that 90% of the people who subscribe to Luxify are individuals who will own a penthouse someday? So if I were you, you know what to do. To continue, welcome to 432 Park Avenue, one of the most iconic and luxurious residential buildings in New York City. 432 Park Avenue, completed in 2015, is a towering 96-story skyscraper that stands over 1,400 feet tall. Designed by eminent architect Raphael Violi, the building could be a true masterpiece of engineering and design. What makes 432 Park Avenue so special and impressive is its exclusive collection of luxury homes. The building features 104 apartments ranging from one-bedroom units to sprawling penthouses, each with its own unique design and style. The most outstanding of these apartments is the mind-blowing 8,255 square foot 6-bedroom penthouse that spans the top 3 floors of the building. This dazzling residence highlights breathtaking views of the city skyline and Central Park, as well as an incredible cluster of luxurious amenities. But the penthouse isn't just lavish, it's incredibly expensive. In fact, the penthouse sold for an astonishing $87.7 million in 2016, making it one of the most costly homes ever sold in New York City. It's not just the penthouse and other high-priced apartments that make 432 Park Avenue so special. Each residence in the building features the finest materials and finishes, from oak flooring to custom Italian cabinetry. The building also includes a range of amenities for residents, including a fitness center, swimming pool, private dining room, and more. If you're looking for the ultimate in extravagance living in modern York City, 432 Park Avenue is unquestionably worth checking out. From its stunning plan to its exclusive collection of residences, this building genuinely represents the best of the best in high-end real estate. The next one on this list is the 70 Vestry Street, another one of the most luxurious and exclusive residential buildings in New York City. Located in the heart of Tribeca, 70 Vestry Street is a staggering 14-story building that was completed in 2018, designed by famous designer Robert A.M. Stern. What makes 70 Vestry Street so one-of-a-kind and impressive is its elite collection of luxury homes. The building features 46 apartments ranging from 2-bedroom units to sprawling penthouses, each with its own special design and style. The most striking of these apartments is the incredible 7,000 square foot 5-bedroom penthouse that spans the top 2 floors of the building. This staggering residence highlights breathtaking views of the Hudson River and the city skyline, as well as an unimaginable cluster of luxurious conveniences. The penthouse sold for a staggering $65 million in 2017. Each residence in the building features the finest materials and finishes, from custom Italian cabinetry to marble countertops. The building also incorporates a variety of conveniences for residents, including a fitness center, swimming pool, private dining room, and more. That's a wrap for the most expensive and luxurious penthouses in New York City. If you learned something, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. This is Luxify.